Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Maria Atisa Manalo, Miss Cosmo International 2024 from the Philippines, embodies the qualities of an iconic, impactful, and inspirational queen. Known not only for her grace and poise, but also for her entrepreneurial spirit and dedication to community empowerment. Atisa's journey is a testament to perseverance and hard work. Growing up without the privileges many take for granted, Atisa developed a strong work ethic and a keen sense of business from an early age. Despite the challenges, she pursued her education and determination, completing her degree and laying the foundation for her future success. At the young age of 21, she founded her own food and beverages company, a venture that would soon become a beacon of hope and opportunity for many. Atisa's business acumen, a commitment to excellence have paid off, as her company now provides jobs and opportunities for over thousands of Filipinos. Her entrepreneurial success is not just a personal achievement but a significant contribution to her community, showcasing her dedication to empowering others and creating a positive impact. By providing stable employment and fostering a supportive work environment, Atisa has helped improve the quality of life for many families, proving that business can be a powerful food for good. And in addition to her business endeavors, Atisa is actively involved with Alon Academy, an organization dedicated to empowering Filipino youth through entrepreneurial education. This initiative aims to inspire and equip young people with the skills and knowledge they need to pursue their dreams. Regardless of their background and circumstances, Atisa's work with Alon Academy highlights her commitment to giving back to her community and nurturing the next generation of entrepreneurs. Her story is a powerful reminder that one's life circumstances do not define their potential. Atisa Manalo's journey from humble beginnings to becoming Miss Cosmo International 2024 and a successful businesswoman serve as an inspiration to many. She has proven that with determination, hard work, and a commitment to making a difference, anyone can achieve their dreams and creating a lasting impact. Atisa's achievement extends beyond her personal success. They reflect her dedications to uplifting others and fostering a spirit of entrepreneurship with her community. As Miss Cosmo International representing the Philippines 2024, she continues to inspire and empower those around her, demonstrating that true success lies in the positive impact one has on the lives of others. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!